This show is actually focused on the EV, which is the future for the country. The EV mobility, when we speak about the people who have visited us, you name all the OEs has visited our stall in last 2 days. And we are able to demonstrate, especially the welding application, which is the most critical one in the EV, especially in the battery side, then laser cleaning application. So we have displayed a machine, laser welding machine here and laser cleaning system here, and we are able to showcase those machines to all the connecting OEMs. So this particular show has given a very good platform for us. See, as a company, we work with laser, and with the laser for any kind of application. You name could be like cutting, marking, engraving, welding, cladding, cleaning, hardening, micro drilling, slicing, dicing. Then definitely we come in there. And in case of automotive sector or in case of EV based automotive sector, the maximum machines which goes to the sector is one is the laser cutting machines. We have displayed the laser cutting samples. Second is the laser cleaning and laser welding. So we have displayed the welding parts, especially on the battery side or on the motor side, and also on the gear side. And also we have displayed some of the marking applications, especially the traceability is more important in the field of automotive industry. So we provide traceability solution with the help of our laser marking system. So in this exhibition, we have displayed all these products and also the samples. The first thing is the EV itself it's to the country. A lot of things happening in the EV, and we have solutions for the EV industry. So this particular exhibition has helped us to showcase our technology, which can benefit the EV vehicle manufacturers. So in a small stage, we are able to connect with all the OEMs across the country. So that way, this particular show has helped us a lot. So EV is like it's an ocean which is going to happen. It's just a startup now, and we are keep on hearing more about EVs. But EVs can be like more than $1 trillion economy very soon in the country. It could be from two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, and commercial vehicles. So everything is going to turn into be EV. And in EV, definitely battery and motor, which makes a bigger role to play. And for company SLTL, we play a huge role in the processing of these batteries and motors with the help of our laser systems. So definitely the pie what we are looking at as a business front is too huge, and the industry is very small today, and it's going to multifold in a very short time.